Hi, welcome to Jack TV. I'm here to talk to you guys, all to my viewers that listen to me out there. This is the story I'm sharing with you. Because I say to myself that the thing that happening into my life is like Jesus called me, put me on a mission, and because that I asked for it. Most of my prayer, I usually say, Jesus, use me, because I'm seeing, people that are suffering out there. What can I do? Use me. Put me the captain of your team. Put me the captain of your mission. Use me. Lord, use me. And the prayer was answered. I'm from, to all of you that listen to me, you might ask me where I'm from. I'm from Haiti. If you see that I have an accent, because I'm from Haiti, all of that. I mean, hey, from the earthquake that happened to Haiti, all my heart go to all the Haitian people, to my fellow Haitian people. I mean, there's better thing to come to you guys. I mean, now I'm sure, the thing that happened, it wasn't just something, because the thing that happened, it could be happen in a way, and other people might think, what, because sometimes Jesus is working his way to make things better. And the place, say turn things around, make things better for for the people, because you see these people in Haiti, they were suffering, they were going through a lot, they're going through a lot of different catastrophes. Now, because I see myself in my vision, I see myself going through Haiti. Those times, try to take away Jesus is using me to go out there in my dream, say I see myself, say putting my hand, on people, that's doing bad things, say try to tell them to stop not doing that, say try to take away curses, say from those people, praying, tell Jesus is loving you, stop doing things that you're not supposed to be doing, like supposedly the voodoo thing, because I say to them, stop doing that. This is not going anywhere. It's not doing you any good. Stop that. And I see myself going, through that places, because the children that's out there, they don't want to be raised in that culture. I mean, look, they might say, well, the voodoo thing is the Asian culture, but come on, this is something that's not doing the country good. What kind of culture is that? You gotta get rid of that culture. Something is not good, get rid of it. You see, this is not doing you any good. It's put your country in some kind of curses. Every time, say the people, I'm sure there's plenty of people out there in Haiti that have so much good heart, that want to see the country in a good places. I'm sure they want to see beautiful things. Who doesn't want to see beautiful things? Who doesn't? But because of all that type of thing, say that you guys doing, the voodoo thing, you got to get out of that kind of crap. Because, to be honest with you, my father was a voodoo priest. I'm talking about experience. Somebody that was in something, that see that is not doing any good, that get out of it. Before my father passed away, he became a Christian, and I follow his footsteps. I become a Christian. Since that time, say things, because once you get through that phase, you're gonna have some kind of superstition. You're gonna have some type of fight to get out of that type of thing. But I always pray Jesus to keep me strong, to be with me all the time, so I can stay strong all the time. I'm praying. You know, Jesus protected me. Give me the protection that I need in order for me to be protected. You know, because once you get out of that, because there's going to be a battle. But you know you're going for the good. You're getting from the bad to being a good. Because Jesus loves you. He wants to see beautiful things for you. Hey, I'm talking to the people that are out there that don't have Jesus in their life yet. Jesus loves you. He wants to see beautiful things going on in your life. Guys, I'm telling you the thing that I see, the things that I visualize. Every time I go to bed, I'm dreaming. I see things every day, not just one day, every single day. Once I go to bed, I'm falling asleep. It's like I'm on a mission, like the way that I was asking Jesus to, use me. And all of a sudden, say I'm in that position. So if you guys out there, wherever you are, you go from Haiti, you go from Africa, you go from any country, whatever you are, wherever you are, I don't know, whatever, you go from in China, you go from in Iowa, whatever the country you're from, Jesus loves you. You know? Because the fact that, he's the man. He's the man. Lord God sent him to earth, Lord God sent him to earth to save us. This is it, guys. Because the fact that I'm talking about the thing that I visualize, the thing that I see, the thing that I go through. Stay tuned for more. You will be surprised. Stay tuned for more. And Jack TV.